Hey guys, from popular request, you guys wanted me to show you my house in Minecraft. So I'll show you my house, I guess. So here we have the main entrance. We actually made a moat so monsters can't really get by. And here, I'll just show you the surround view of it. Yeah, this is a very nice house. As you can see, it's pretty well built. I built it myself. There's no one really else on my server right now, so oh shoot, I'm hungry. Okay. Yeah, let me just go into, here we go. So this is how you get into my house. As you can see, no creepers can really hurt me if they want to go in. Here's my chimney. It looks really nice. It's really warm. You can like cook stuff on it. And here's like my lounge. I like to sit here when I think about deep thoughts. There you go. That's how you turn it on. It's actually really efficient. Okay, let's go back downstairs. As you can see, it's really hard to get in here, so mobs can't really come in. Here's where I like to work out. It's actually really fun sometimes. Yeah, what am I wearing? Oh my gosh, really enjoy this armor. Yeah, as I said, there's no one really in this server. This is kind of my single player world. Here's my boy Robbie. He's really cool. I don't know, I like him sometimes. Oh huh. Oh, I just found boots. Okay, I'll just give it. I don't know where. Here's my other boy, Jackies. He doesn't really have a name. He doesn't know how to speak English. But he's cool, I guess. Yeah. Huh. So when I go back outside, I actually have something. Oh shit. What the heck? So that's a very efficient way of getting rid of monsters in your house. Isn't that cool? Anyways guys, I think that's the end of my Minecraft video. Oh yeah, and this is how you get out. It's actually really efficient. But yeah. Can you guys please leave a like, comment, and subscribe on my Minecraft video? It would really mean a lot if you guys did that. Peace out, guys.